Did you know you can make fresh coconut milk at home in just 2 simple steps, without any special tools? Many people think it's a hassle, but the truth is, it's faster and easier than you think. Store-bought coconut milk often contains additives, but homemade coconut milk is pure, fresh, and packed with flavor. All you need is shredded coconut, water, and a blender. Blend. Combine 1 cup of shredded coconut with 2 cups of water. Blend for about 30 seconds until smooth. Strain. Pour the mixture through a nut milk bag or fine mesh strainer and squeeze out the liquid. This is your fresh coconut milk. That's it. You can use it immediately or store it in the fridge. Adjust the thickness by changing the water ratio and even add a pinch of salt for extra depth. Want to take your homemade drinks to the next level? Check out The Art of Tea Blending, create your signature, and discover how to craft unique tea blends at home.